So in this video we are going to explain direct and indirect sequence. You can see there are two cylinders. One of them is pneumatic press, the other one is a pneumatic clamp, and we have a sequencing that should trigger as soon as this line pressure goes to 100 psi. So the sequence we're going to create here is clamp cylinder extends first, then the press cylinder should extend. When it comes to retraction, they both retracts same time. So as soon as I trip this DCV to this position, the extension should begin with the air clamp, and as soon as the line pressure goes to 100 psi, this one should also extend. So let's try that in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we couldn't see that clear sequence there. Try again in 3, 2, 1. We have to wait, and then you see. So after a few seconds of waiting, you can see the press also extends, and you can also see how the sequence valve is building up the pressure. Right. So now we're going to take a look at the indirect sequence. Same kind of operation. So here we go. We have two cylinders just like before. One is clamp, the other one is press. The clamp goes first, and then the press should actually extend. And we have a direct control on the air clamp. As soon as we push the lever on, the circuit will send a high pressure gas to this cap side, and once the extension is complete, pressure on these lines will increase. As a result of that, the pneumatic pilot will try to trip this valve. In order to do that, it has to have at least 50-pound force, which is set by the spring here. So as soon as the line pressure is enough to overcome this force, it will trip this DCV, and as a result of that, the air press can also extend. So take a look in 3, 2, 1. And there goes the press. Retraction should happen at the same time, but because of meter out, it might take a while. Let's take a look again in 3, 2, 1. Press begins. So that's a classic example of indirect sequence. We're not using any sequence valve in the circuit to create that sequence. We're just using the spring pressure to have a kind of a delay to build up that pressure using a pneumatic pilot. But one of the 5x2 is fitting the other 5x2 in here, and that's how we are getting the sequence done. Thank you very much.